Good morning. Thank you. Good morning from a rainy Waikiki. This is day 3 for us, and it's raining so yet. Hopefully it'll ease up. Hopefully, but it's raining. I'm sitting here trying to just look outside. See, I gotta close this. Here's Waikiki. See, it's been raining. Our boat's still here. People are in the water. Like, come on, people. So New Year's, there's like a pool right over there. There were people actually having a party and stuff like that over there. So good morning from Waikiki. So basically, Logan and I are having time just to ourselves. Basically, without my mom. I heard some guy down the street who's talking to somebody explaining the show, and every other word was basically. After like 3 words was basically. So basically.
This take my hand and feed my baby mother.
This is why I love Waikiki. There's this guy down there that we just passed. He was yelling and he said, "Take my hand in marriage and be my baby mama."
He's proposing to the air.
So, yeah, he's proposing to all the single ladies here in Waikiki.
Like you.
No! I ain't taking nobody's hand in marriage.
She's single, guys. She's single. And ready to mingle.
I'd rather shop until I drop.
But she's ready to mingle.
No. Well, I am single.
Single and ready to mingle.
Technically, I'm single, but I don't know if I'm ready to mingle. It's a burrito shop.
Oh, it's a pub.
There's Kelly O'Neill's.
Oh, the pub life army.
No. We're exploring Waikiki. Usually we stay on the main parts of Waikiki, yeah. So
I didn't know there's golf.
At Ohana Golf. So we're exploring. We're exploring because we don't really come down here. Yeah.
Any place you go, there's gotta be a Little Italy place.
There's some place, yeah.
I called the place called Little Italy.
This is neat. Seeing the side streets too. So we got ourselves Raising Cane that we saw that was open yesterday, yeah. So we got Raising Canes for lunch. It is currently 11:06, 11:07 now. Yeah, won't you know, it's raining again. No! I'm not done drinking my drink yet.
No.
100% chance of rain.
Hi, baby mama.
Oh, look at the beach.
Oh my god. Look right there.
I know.
Oh! Come on.
Whoa, look at that. Come this way, Logan.
I step over here. Thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry, there's spots on the lens. I gotta clean that from the rain.
Can you be my baby mama?
Look at the beach. Mine's not waterproof, so I can't go over there.
Hi.
Hi. Are you filming?
Yeah. This is waterproof.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you go in the water? And there's people surfing over there.
I don't care, Mom. I'm having fun.
I'm glad.
The water's cold.
I bet from all the rain too. We're hanging out at the beach. There's a Royal Hawaiian, the pink hotel right over there. Sun. Actually get sun, people believe that. Yeah. The sunset, people. The first actually clear sunset of 2022.